Hey everyone, we have covered our strokes and drilling, and today we are going to start our lower cases alphabets. So see them very carefully because upper cases alphabets are only used at the starting. So rest we have to use these only. See very carefully about light and dark and the number of lines in which I am drawing. So the very first one is A. To draw the A, we will use these three strokes. This is just a starting, then oval stroke, then a descender. How we will join this? Make an oval stroke, then give it a descender curve and a starting. This will be our A. See very carefully. Make an oval stroke, a descender, then a starting. See, this is very light, this is very light. When we will connect all the alphabets, then this light will work. Once again, make an oval stroke, go down, and then a starting. This is our A. Okay. The next alphabet is B. To draw the B, we have to use these three strokes. This is a line, starting line, then a down stroke, and then this curve. How we will make a light line with very light hands, go down stroke, starting with here like this. Are you getting me? This will be a curve shape, not straight line. How it is done? It is very light, come down, then dark, and then turn. This is our B. Once again I am repeating, it is light, come down, and like this. So this is our B. This C. Next alphabet is C. C we have already done in the C stroke. How it was? Light, dark, light, and a starting you can add light, dark, light, the starting. Once again, light, dark, light, and the starting. So these are the first three alphabets, A, B, and C. I have taught you A, B, and C. How to do A? Oval, downstroke, then a starting. To draw the B, light, go down, and like this. And for the C, like this and this. Practice these three strokes, three alphabets, then we will cover our next one.